Hey, Princess, come on. You're going to be a wet cat. Her dumb ass is outside.
Yeah.
I wish I could have seen it.
Maybe we ought to put you a platform out there on the top of the railing for your tripod.
That would be cool.
But you said that was 6 inches, and that's at least 4.5.
All right, come to the door a minute, and I'll show you show you how far up I was.
Well, I'm just saying, if you go up on the...
It's about like this.
How far from the floor or from the table?
From the table. From the blue thing. The blue tub.
So if you went the full length of the banister, then I'd put you way up there in the air.
This. The blue thing there is what I was on.
Yeah. But if you went the full length of the banister, full extent, that would put you way up in the air, and that would be even better view. You don't have to zoom out or zoom in or nothing.
I just don't want to be a lightning rod. Yeah, which is what I am right now, current moment. I'm a freaking lightning rod. You can't see the cars. Yeah. Can't see the cars now. You got a problem. Well, I can't go no higher. No. We'll come over here and look. And make it quick, man. My arms are getting tired. You said you wanted to see how far up I was.
You way past the banister.
Yeah.
You said you wouldn't.
All right, girl. I'm sorry. I got to breathe. My arms are getting tired.
Can you flip your camera? There you go. Now flip your camera.
You mean flip the camera? You still ain't going to be able to see shit.
You'll see chat. Come on, Princess, get in here. Come on.
I could see chat before.
With your phone toward the road? Come on, get in here.
Get your ass in the house, Princess. Come on.
No, this one. Leave her out there.
Well, then you know what? You're going to be one wet you know what.
One wet cat.
All right, I'm closing the door. Sorry to be a dick.